Hi guys, welcome to my channel Varsha Mehta Official, where we talk about fashion, beauty, makeup, styling ideas, and purpose of today's video is how to style for your workplace, and that too with one skirt and 6 different outfits. Or before starting this video, please update me on my Instagram handle Varsha Mehta Official, and if you really like this video, please let me know in the comment box, and don't forget to hit the like button. And if you have not yet subscribed my channel, please subscribe it, and don't forget to click the bell icon so that you can get notification for my further video. Today's video is on how we can style for our workplace. It's too tricky to style for your workplace because we have to keep number of things in mind, that it should not be loud, it should not be too appealing, it should not be so messy, or it should not uncomfortable. So all these things we have to keep in mind while styling for our outfit. The major thing is comfort, because if we are not comfortable with our outfits, then it is not possible for us to work. Your work will be affected, and no one wants that. So you should keep in mind your comfort while styling for your workplace, and if you are comfortable with that, you will be able to work more better and more concentratedly. So in today's video, we are going to discuss about the makeup, hairstyle, accessories, and outfit we can carry for our office. So first we will discuss about makeup. It's not that you should not carry makeup or you should carry makeup. There is nothing like that. If you want to, you can carry makeup, then it will enhance your complete outfit. So you should do minimum makeup. You can use baby cream, some kajal, some nude lip color, and take few minutes to do that, and you are done with that. So please do some makeup so you will look pretty. I know you all are so pretty, but still it will enhance your beauty. And please don't go for loud lip colors because it really don't go great fit. And I'm going to show you the complete makeup tutorial for office styling. Now we will start with our office makeup. First I'm going to use the primer which I have made at home. If you people want to know formula for that, please let me know in the comment box. I will make a separate video for that. I'm going to blend it well with the help of my fingers only. I'm using CC cream from Lakme 9 to 5 shade Honey. I'm not going with any heavy base. I just want to give a natural makeup look. I don't want that it should be too heavy for my office, so I'm using CC cream as my base. I'm going to apply it all over my face. After that, I'm going to blend it with the help of beauty blender. After applying my base, I'm going to use Maybelline New York Clear Glow All-in-One Shine Free Cake Powder all over my face to set my base. After setting my base with the help of compact powder, I'm going to apply little bit of blush over my cheeks and nose because it gives a natural look to your complete makeup, and I love to apply blush. It gives a fresh look to your makeup. After I have done with my blush, I am going to start with my eye makeup. I am using the nude from Maybelline and using the dark glittery brown over my eyelid. I am just using one shade from this palette, and that's it. I am not going too much with my eyes because it is an office look and I want it to be decent and subtle. For liner, I am using Swiss Beauty Kajal and applying on the upper eyelid. After I have done with my liner, I am going to apply mascara on my eyelashes. After I had done with my mascara, I have applied kajal but not able to shoot that. Now I am applying rose water on my face. After applying rose water, I am going to line my lips with the help of light orange shade. After I have done with my lip liner, now I am going to use Lakme Absolute Matte Mild Liquid Lipstick shade 14 Nude Hit over my lips. this is the complete office makeup look. I have kept the complete look simple and subtle with minimum products, so it is easy to do and faster as well. Now we will discuss what kind of hairstyle we can carry with office outfit. We can carry open hairs, ponytail, messy bun, number of braids are there, we can do that also. And even I have a tutorial on hairstyle. I will drop the link in description box. You can also carry that with your office outfit. Now we will discuss about jewelry. Please don't carry heavy and chunky jewelry for office. They are for other occasion. Please carry them on that occasion. Please don't carry them for office. You can carry simple piece of earrings, rings, simple chain, watch, all decent thing you can carry, but don't go for heavy jewelry and chunky jewelry. Discuss about handbag. You can carry structured handbag. They look too great with your office outfit. Structure means they have some shape. They can use the black color, brown, leather color, or nude color like beige and all. You can go for such colors in handbag, and please, it's my advice, please go with structured handbag. It go great with your office. Now it's time for outfit. I have created 6 different outfits from just single skirt, and you don't believe, all the 6 outfits are looking completely different, and no one can guess that it is just created with a one base skirt. And you can carry all the 6 outfits for all 6 different days in a week, and you will be in love with all the 6 outfits because it is stylish, classic, elegant, simple, and all the qualities which a office outfit required. They have all of them. For that, you have to watch the complete video to know what styling I have done with the skirt. These are the 6 office outfit style which I am going to create in today's video. This is the first look from my office lookbook. In this look, I have teamed the black skirt with off-white chiffon shirt. I really love the frills on this shirt and its high neck, and I have teamed that with black handbag and black boots with high ponytail. The complete look is going super cool and comfortable at the same time. This is the second look from my office lookbook. In this, I have used the same black skirt and wear it as a one piece, and I have wear a waist belt on my waist to give a perfect structure to my body, and team that with my pink blazer. This is the third look from my office lookbook. In this, I have wear the same skirt as a one piece, but I have wear a crop top and give a illusion of complete one dress, and team that with the long blazer, and all together is going super cool and perfect office outfit. This is the fourth look from my office lookbook. In this look, I have wear the same black skirt and team that with the blue striped shirt, and I have wear the skirt at quite height of my waist because I have narrow waist, so I want to highlight that and created the complete look, and all together is going superb. This is the fifth look from my office lookbook. In this look, I have used the same black skirt and teamed that with the red t-shirt and black blazer, and I will suggest please have such kind of long black blazer because it helps to create number of your outfits and it goes well with all of them. This is the sixth look from my office lookbook. In this look, I have teamed the same black skirt with white t-shirt and gray blazers, and all this color are going super cool with each other, and I have teamed that with black handbag and boots. This all is about the office styling ideas and tips which I have shared with you people. Hope you people like this video, and please let me know in the comment box if you really like this video, and please don't forget button. And if you have not yet subscribed my channel, please do subscribe it, and don't forget to click on bell icon so that you can get notification from my channel. And this is time to wrap this video. Bye.